My dear friends, I'm so happy to see you. Today, we're going to visit Bingo and Rolly, and this time we're going to look for the difference between the pictures. Let's do it together. I think so. We need level medium. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 5 pictures. It's not right. Okay, this. This. Hello, Bingo. This. Oh, it is Bingo. I think so. This Bingo. Yay! Look, friends, it is right. Bingo, hello. Where is Rolly? Not, it's not right. I see these ducks, but I don't know. Wow, it's not Rolly. Hello. Wow, look, it's right. Cool, I like it. Okay, this. Oh, girls. I think so. I think girls. But he plays. Maybe this. Yes. Oh, friends, it is really interesting place. Okay, we need only 2 pictures and oh, I think so. These pictures and this his difference maybe. Yes. Okay. This. Look, friends, we did it. Oh, next level. All right. Oh, Rolly. Hello, Rolly. What is it? What is it? Oh, little girl ducks. What is it? I see you. This and this. Yay! Cool. Wow, friends. I see Bingo. These pictures and this. Yes, I already saw the pictures and this is right. Friends, I know. I found the same pictures. Ta-da! Oh, no, I was wrong. Okay, this? Yes, now I found the same pictures. Yes, right. Cool. And this picture, this. Ta-da! Cool. We did it. Ta-da! Level number 3. Okay. Oh, hello. Oh. I already saw these pictures. Maybe this? Yes! Cool. It is right. Not, it's not right. I found these people. These are this. Name this? Not. It's not red. Or this? Yes. Woo! Yes. Cool. It is right. And these pictures. I see this. Woo! Yes. Yes and yes. It is very very good. Oh yeah. I know. These pictures. This. Woo! Yes, it is right, friends. We did it, and only one picture. Yes, friends, we did it. It is very, very cool. Thank you, friends. And please like this video and subscribe and see you soon.